Hello everyone, this is Prashant Bandal, founder of MS Pilates and Fitness. Honestly, every Pilates studio should have more than just a reformer. So at MS Pilates, we believe that individuals are different requirements, so they need appropriate machine for that. So we train using a reformer, a Cadillac, a ladder barrel, a Wunda chair, a Coraline, motor, and body. Let's start with a reformer. This is a reformer, and that's the tower. So at MS Pilates, we use the Wunda chair, which is, I call it compact killer, because such a small piece of equipment, but you can train your legs harder. You can sit and do the leg workout. You can do the teaser exercises, and which is really challenging. You can do the bridging. Arm strength is going to be wonderful on this machine. So it's a compact killer. Let me introduce the suspension system, a Bodhi, where you use your own body weight to improve the strength, balance, and control. Introduce to the fantastic machine, one of my most favorite Pilates machine, which has a two carts, a ladder, a cart, which really help us to improve our walking gait, a sling system, a core challenge from rehab to the athletic level performance. And that's a Coraline. Let me introduce the one more fantastic machine at MS Pilates, and that's a ladder barrel. A barrel, a ladder, which really help us to challenge our spinal mobility, to go for the thoracic mobility, strengthen the core in a little bit extreme position. And that's really fantastic. Let me introduce a special machine, which is really unique, a wonderful feature, which is going to challenge your strength, balance, your cardiovascular system. And that's nothing but a motor. It's called More Than Roller. Looks like a roller, but it's not. You got a hands, you got a wires, you got a resistance. You can do a full body workout in a simple machine, and you can take it with you anywhere. And let me tell you, a very limited Pilates studios have this machine. So I have introduced reformer with tower, Wunda chair, Coraline, ladder barrel, motor, and Bodhi. At MS Pilates, no boredom, no repetitions, only Sparta movements.